18 wheels on frozen ground, another mile, no turning round. The blizzard howls a lonely sound, lost in the fog, nowhere bound. Headlights cut through the inky black, no looking forward, no looking back. Just the hum of the engine, a steady track, carrying dreams on my weary back. Blizzard Road, she calls my name, through the ice and driving rain. America's heart, a burning flame, every mile a whispered claim. Hauling freight through the night, chasing stars with all my might. Keeping on till the morning light on Blizzard Road, day and night. Coffee's cold, the radio fades through mountain passes and misty glades. Every town a memory made in the shadows where the light pervades. Families waiting miles apart, a trucker's promise, a hopeful start. Playing my role and playing my part in this journey of the open heart. Blizzard Road, she calls my name, through the ice and driving rain. America's heart, a burning flame, every mile a whispered claim. Hauling freight through the night, chasing stars with all my might. Keeping on till the morning light on Blizzard Road, day and night. Sometimes the silence gets too deep, secrets the highway likes to keep. But the promise of dawn, it helps me sleep as I sow the seeds that I will reap. Through the darkness, a silver thread guiding my way. What lies ahead? Blizzard Road, she calls my name, through the ice and driving rain. America's heart, a burning flame, every mile a whispered claim. Hauling freight